Stop scrolling. If you're thinking about buying TokPrimeAI, you need to see this first. Because this tool claims it can automatically generate viral TikTok content, traffic and engagement using AI, even if you're a beginner with 0 followers. Sounds powerful, but is TokPrimeAI actually worth your money, or just another overhyped AI tool? Let's break it down honestly. Hey, welcome back. In this TokPrimeAI review, I'm going to show you exactly what this software does, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and most importantly, how you can get my $497 exclusive bonus bundle free if you decide to grab TokPrimeAI today. Let's get straight into it. What is TokPrimeAI? TokPrimeAI is a cloud-based AI platform designed to help users create, optimize and scale TikTok-style short videos that are engineered to go viral. Instead of struggling with content ideas, editing videos manually, guessing hashtags, hooks and captions, or spending hours learning TikTok, TokPrimeAI uses AI to generate viral-ready content, scripts, hooks and engagement strategies automatically. No experience needed, no camera required, if you don't want one, and no complex setup. Key features and benefits. Here's what makes TokPrimeAI stand out. AI viral content generator. TokPrimeAI creates short-form video ideas, scroll-stopping hooks, captions optimized for engagement and trending formats. This is perfect for TikTok, Reels and Shorts. Beginner-friendly dashboard. Everything is point and click. You don't need video editing skills, marketing experience or any prior audience. Just choose a niche, generate content and publish. Trend and engagement optimization. TokPrimeAI analyzes viral patterns, engagement triggers and hook psychology, so your content has a higher chance of being pushed by the algorithm. Multiple use cases. You can use TokPrimeAI for affiliate marketing, promoting offers, personal brand growth, business traffic, faceless content channels, client work, and one tool, many income opportunities. Time-saving automation. What normally takes hours is done in minutes. This allows you to scale content daily without burnout. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep this real. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly, AI-driven viral hooks and scripts, works for multiple platforms, saves massive time, no camera required and great for faceless content. Cons: results depend on consistency, you still need to post content and not an instant push-button solution. TokPrimeAI is a tool, not magic, but when used correctly, it's powerful. Who is TokPrimeAI best for? TokPrimeAI is perfect if you are a beginner trying to grow on TikTok, an affiliate marketer, a content creator, a business owner, or someone who wants traffic without ads. If that sounds like you, keep watching. If you grab TokPrimeAI through my link below, you'll also get my $497 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what's included. Bonus 1. Viral TikTok Hook Vault, $97, 50 proven hooks designed to stop the scroll instantly. Bonus 2. Faceless TikTok Video Blueprint, $77, step-by-step system to create viral videos without showing your face. Bonus 3. AI Caption and Hashtag Pack, $67, high engagement captions and hashtag formulas. Bonus 4. TikTok Monetization Guide, $97, how to turn views into clicks, leads and commissions. Bonus 5. DFY Canva Short Video Templates, $67, professional templates for Shorts, Reels and TikTok. Bonus 6. Affiliate Traffic Mini Course, $47, how to use short-form traffic to promote offers safely. Bonus 7. Posting and Scaling Checklist, $45, daily checklist to grow faster without burnout. Total bonus value, $497, free. So, is TokPrimeAI worth it? If you want a simple, AI-powered way to create viral short-form content and traffic, then yes, TokPrimeAI is worth checking out. And when you include my $497 bonus bundle, this becomes an easy decision. Click the link in the description right now, grab TokPrimeAI, unlock my bonuses instantly, and start creating viral content with AI today. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next review.